Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play story mode in Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. It is important to understand that Call of Duty Warzone Mobile does not feature a traditional single-player story campaign. Instead, the game focuses on its core Battle Royale experience, allowing up to 120 players to compete on large maps. You will find a dynamic environment with evolving seasonal content and various multiplayer modes to explore. While a story mode isn't present, you can still immerse yourself in the rich Call of Duty universe through its diverse game modes. Experience the intense, last player standing action of Battle Royale, or opt for the quicker pace of Resurgence. Additionally, traditional multiplayer modes like Team Deathmatch offer familiar combat scenarios. These modes, combined with daily and weekly challenges, provide a continuous and engaging. Your application is your chance to tell your story. A well-written essay can make a huge difference, revealing your passion and potential beyond grades. Seek out recommenders who know you well and can speak to your character and abilities. Give them ample time, at least 2 weeks, to write thoughtful letters. Finally, double-check everything. Even a small typo can detract from an otherwise perfect application. To get started and truly enjoy Call of Duty Warzone Mobile, begin by completing the in-game tutorial to master the controls. Experiment with different loadouts and operators to find what works best for you. Playing with friends can significantly enhance your experience, fostering teamwork and communication. Consistent practice will sharpen your aiming and movement, helping you dominate the battlefield.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.